In this video, I'm going to show you how to use 4 eyeshadow colors. Bare Minimum, Beaches and Cream, Desert Rose, my favorite, and On Cloud Wine. So I already have on brow lift and eye base, and now I'm going in with the Bare Minimum and pressing it with the lid brush all the way across my lid, anywhere that the skin touches the eyeball. What I love about this color is as you layer it, it gets brighter and brighter, and look how much bigger my lid looks. Then I switch over to the crease brush and use Beaches and Cream. Now this color looks like it wouldn't even show up in the crease, but if you have a light, medium, even a fair skin tone, it is the perfect shade to tuck in between your eyeball and the brow bone to give the most minimal looking crease color and shading right in the fold of your eye. You see the difference? So if you're not a good blender, this is a good color to start with because you can't mess it up. Then I'm going to go in with a corner brush with Desert Rose. I normally use this color as a crease color, but for this matte look, I'm just tucking a little bit in the outer corner and C shape of the eye. This is a very Sarah Jessica Parker Sex and the City look. Those pale, muted, matte pinks. Then I go in with my liner. You can use black or brown, and I'm giving my eye a very thin frame. There it is after the liner. Then I'm going to lightly smudge smoke with On Cloud Wine. You guys are so scared of this color and it is so pretty on. You don't need to use a lot. You're just really going to go around the edge of the liner and keep it towards the outer corner of the eye. Now that's not so scary, is it? So I'm only going to smudge this little guy about, I would say, halfway across the eye, just to blur the black line. As always, doing a cleanup on the outer edge. And what I love about that On Cloud Wine is if you just nip the edge of it, it just gives that airbrushed eyeliner look. Look how pretty and lifted that cleanup looks. Then I curl my lashes and add infinity length mascara. So just one coat if you're looking for something a little bit more natural. If you let it dry, do the other eye, go back to it, do a second coat, you'll get a little bit more va-va-voom with your lash. So there you have it, the dusty matte pink eye.